I'm going to walk you through how to do a cost of food sold and monthly food cost percentage calculation. On page 230 of the text, you'll notice a sample of this where you need 5 figures: sales for the month, inventory at the beginning of the month, purchases for the month, food in production, and final inventory. And we're going to work on an example here using example B on this problem list. So the first calculation, as you can see, is to find the cost of food sold in step 1, add the inventory at the beginning of the month, which in this case is $82.96.25, and I would write that out. And then you're going to add to that your purchases for the month. And in this case, your purchases are $18,440.25. So as you follow along here, step 1, add the inventory at the beginning of the month to the purchases for the month. And that will give you a number of $26,736.50. Step 2 is to add your food in production for the month. And in this case, it's $2,017.25. And you're going to add to that your final inventory. In this case, $46.35.65. And once you do the math, that gives you a total of $66.52.90. Now the key here is to make sure that you follow the steps and write them out as I've done here. So you've got 2 calculations, just as we have over here in step 1 and step 2. Step 3, you're going to subtract these 2 numbers. So you're going to take the 26,736.50 and you're going to subtract the other number you calculated of 66.52.90. And if you do your math properly, that should give you a total of $20,083.60. And that's the number you're going to plug in on your cost of food sold. And lastly, in order to calculate your monthly food cost percentage, you're going to take this number, the cost of food sold, and divide that by your sales. And you're going to get a number somewhere around an area of 0.2622. Remember to round out to your 5th place, and that's going to give you an answer of 26.22% for your food cost.